Computer, turn off desk lamp.
Okay.
Computer, delete notifications.
Delete all your notifications, right?
Yes.
Okay. Deleted your notifications.
Well, I'm sitting here with the new guitar, and it's coming along. I think we might be able to get it finished. We've got a little more to do, but show you a little bit about what happens with it when you do this, and maybe a little bit of that. And she goes crazy. Yep, I gotta figure out what color to paint the base paint in here, maybe something behind the flames. Yeah, I'm just looking to see what we want to do to it and what colors we're going to use. This blue is looking pretty good, so I'm thinking about the whole guitar, maybe a different blue though, something a little brighter, and then let the flame shoot through it. Maybe some yellow somewhere. We're going to have to look. And I also thought about yellow paint, and then they got some blue flames. And I thought about intertwining some blues and some reds. So we're going to think about that too. So let me think about that a little while, see what I come up with, guys. But that's, I got to bury all the wires and put them inside and get them all out of sight. But basically, that's what she's going to look like when she's done. So, computer, turn off studio light.
Okay.
So, we should end up with this right here, or this right here, or just some flames. So y'all tell me what you think about my idea, and I'm working on getting them in. I got to get them all carved in and then epoxied in there where they go. And like I say, I'm thinking about adding another layer on top, so let's see how that works. Turn on the studio light.
Okay.
Hey guys, do me a favor. If you watch this long, hit that thumbs up and subscribe, because I'm going to do a lot of other crazy stuff, and you might as well see it happen. So come on with me. Let's have at it. Have fun. Hope your bills are going good. I moved over to this because the other one was giving me fits, and it just wasn't making my heart feel good. This is making me feel good. So y'all be good, guys. This one here makes me want to do this. That's it. Y'all be good. Get finished. Hey, get at it. You got long.